Hey Liam, good morning. You want to tell me what you see outside? What's out there? All the digging? What do you see?
Dump truck.
Dump truck? Are they just a big crashola?
That's a big crashola. There.
Look at all that cement. They're digging up the street again.
Cement.
You say good morning? You say good morning? Look at mommy. Hey, sleepyhead. Hi. Go watch the digging. Get a front row seat. Look at that, Liam. Wow, that's a big digger. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're dumping it in the dump truck.
Yay!
That's cool.
Yay, he did it!
He did it. Good job.
Good job, Digger.
Good job, Digger.
Oh, he missed that.
Oh, did he drop some? Oh, no.
He dropped some. He's got some more.
Yeah?
He got some more.
Oh, boy.
He's got some more.
Oh, wow.
He's got some fruit.
That's super exciting, or what? Wow. Little boy in heaven right now. Good way to keep us occupied on a very cold morning. We can't go outside and play. Oh, they'll be digging out there for a while, pal. They gotta dig a really big hole. Say, good job, guys.
Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Say, can you wave to mommy? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you look at the camera?
Bye-bye.
Yeah.